Hey guys, we're now in my grandma's garage looking today at the Craftsman 3/4 horsepower chain drive garage door opener. Now here's that wall button over there. Here is the lock button and light button. Okay, now let's open it up. Okay, I'll close it from the outside, but I know what the code is, but I'm not going to tell you and show you the code. Okay, here is that keypad right there, but not going to show you the code. Door's squeaking a little. Yeah. You know, it has a washer and a dryer in a garage. So now, you know I sold my mom's car out there. My mom's car has a dent. So now let's close it. Yeah, 2 lights are working good. Yeah, working perfectly. Yeah, that Craftsman is old. Okay, I will need a video on YouTube. Check back soon and subscribe for the channel. Bye.